What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Josh and I'm here back with another video. And on this video I'm going to be doing a product review over a product that I just previously came across. I really think this product is very unique and I really think it's very ergonomically made for men's everyday at home grooming. But before we get into this video, if you're new and you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. It really helps my channel grow when you guys subscribe to my channel. On a lot of my videos, I have a higher percentage of people that's not subscribed than that are subscribed. So I really recommend you guys to subscribe because I have a lot of dope content and I don't want you guys to miss out on that. But without further ado, let's hop right into this video. So as you guys just seen, I just showed you guys the product. That's how the product looks. Now it's time to get deeper and show you guys how it actually works. But first I'm going to unbox it. This is how it comes. As you guys seen, it has the steps on the back. And it comes in this clear bag, and I really like the setup. And if you guys really like this, by the end of this video I'm going to have the link in the description to where to purchase this item. It's very dope. I hope you guys like it. So that's the product, guys, that I just showed you. Now I'm going to be unboxing it and showing you how it looks and when you actually get to use it. And this is how it comes when it's packaged. It's called the Brink, the Clean Edge. Has the instructions on the back on how to use it, as I showed you earlier in the video. And now it's time to unbox it. So here's the product. It's in a plastic bag and it's stapled on by the paper branding, and you just rip it off and it opens right up. Easy access, not much. It's just right for the product. When I first seen this product, I knew it was something cool. I couldn't wait to unbox it, and this is gonna be my first time seeing it in action. So let's get into it. So before using it, you want to read the steps and see how to use it. It's made to go on your face. In step 1, it shows you, you have to line it up on your face. You want to be balanced on both sides. And the whole thing about it is to line it up on the hairs that you want gone. It gives you kind of a system to put it on your face, and it gives you an outline of hairs that you don't need, all the messy hairs. And then step 3, you have to take a Barber Magic pencil and draw an outline. And then after you draw the outline, you would take the tool off, and then you would go in with your trimmers and you would outline right at the edge of the line that you made with the trimmers. I showed you guys the unboxing. I showed you guys how it looked. I showed you guys the steps. Now it's time to actually put it to work. So as you can see, like I said, you want to line it up on your face, and looking at your beard and the desired area that you want your line to sit, you would adjust it kind of. It's kind of a firm and stiff tool, so you can kind of adjust it and hold it tight where you want it to be at. So right here, he adjusted it to where he wanted it to be at, and you can see the hairs that he wants to cut off. That's how low he wants to go into his beard. So right after you get that lined up, you want to go in with the pencil, with the Barber Magic pencil, and you want to outline on the tool right along of the hairs that you don't want, that you want to cut. So you would do this all the way around, and it gives you an outline to follow. Once we're done using the tool and the pencil together, it gives you an outline to cut. It gives you like a perfect line to cut at. So the benefit of this is that it's balanced on both sides. So when you use the pencil to outline, when you take it off, it's going to have a balanced look on each side, and that ensures for your safety of not messing up your beard, as far as like making one side too low and one side higher. It gives you like that balance, and all you have to do is get used to using the trimmers and get a steady hand of following that guideline that we're creating. So after you do the line and you take off the tool, this is how it should look with the outline. And now it's time to go in with the trimmers and outline and take the hairs out that we don't want anymore. So as you can see, we're just starting up and we're just sliding down to the line, stopping at the line. You want to get those hairs out the way first, and then go back and dig in a little bit deeper and just go in and start cutting the hairs that you don't want. It's something you definitely have to get used to, because everybody doesn't know how to clean their face up. But this is a perfect starting product. This is a perfect product to use to get started on doing your own facial hair. And you have to learn how to hold the tools a certain way. Like on this side, he's using the edge of the tool and not the whole tool because he doesn't want to mess himself up. And going right above the mustache, you want to just cut the hairs off that you don't want. Like I said, the pencil already made an outline for you, so all you have to do is put the trimmers exactly where the line is at. Just follow the line and just drag over the line a little bit and just go down until you can't see the line anymore. And you see at the top, you got to go all the way across and keep going all the way until you see that line blurring. That's letting you know that you're stopping right at the line that you created. So once you're done and you see that you got all the hairs going that you don't want, you can go over this area with a wet towel with some soap or use a razor to smear out the white line, because sometimes if you don't clean it off good, the white line will stay and you don't want that to look like that on your face. You want to smear it out. So this is how it came out. This product was really dope. Like I said in my description, the link to this product. Follow me on Instagram at Joshxbarber, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Peace.